I am out here in beautiful Hagerstown looking at 122 Ray Street for my client who couldn't make it today. I'm just taking a look at this thing. This one across the street's getting renovated, which is always good to see. Can't see the roof, but overall outside looks pretty good. Got some exposed wood that needs to be wrapped. Let's take a look on the inside. Pretty decent space. Some replacement windows, mostly not. New carpet. New laminate flooring. We'll head down to the basement here in a minute. Kitchen, laundry in the kitchen. Decent space. Let's check out the back and the side yard. Pretty good walkway here. Here's the covering. Good sized backyard. You do have room in the back for parking if you wanted to change that out. Definitely need some love back here. They got a tarp covering the cellar access. Let's take a look upstairs. Heading up the steps. Pretty good sized bathroom. Tub's filthy. I think you can leave that and definitely put a new vanity in here. And some paint, but all in all, bathroom's in pretty good shape. This is pretty much dead space here. So I think to make this layout work better, you have to move a wall and add a wall. This room is tiny in here. So if we delete this section of wall and just continue it all the way down on this carpet line, making a hallway right there, you can make this entire space, all the carpeted area here, look pretty good bedroom. And then have your hallway over here to the second bedroom, which is pretty good size. And this room obviously has the attic as well, which I would make a closet up here so you could utilize all the space downstairs. Got a good attic up here. Well insulated. I don't see any daylight. And I lied. There's some daylight. Nope, just reflector. No daylight. That's always a good sign. So down in the basement. Lots of cleanup needed in here. It's hard to tell, but there's definitely water coming in back there. Looks like they use spray foam to seal up water, which never works. And water heater. One thing I do like to see is a new panel, and I don't see any of the old wiring in here, so that's nice and updated. Forced air furnace. And we just got a bunch of junk back here that would need to be cleaned out.